In this video, we show you how to use the graphical user interface of Sinius. Switch the treatment center on using the power switch at the foot of the treatment center. The main switch switches the treatment center from the standby mode to operational readiness. After it is switched on, the operating system boots up. To switch it off, press and hold the main switch on the dentist element until an acoustic signal sounds. Then release the button. The treatment center shuts down and switches itself to the standby mode. The treatment center is operated via the graphical user interface and the fixed key panel. You can select one of two start screens. The Simple Mode Start program shows the function keys for the patient chair programs and allows you to move the headrest in and out. All other functions are listed in the separate Manual Chair Settings screen. The Easy Mode Start program displays the function keys for the patient chair programs and manual chair adjustment, as well as the quick setting keys for adjusting the intensity of the instruments together on the same screen. Press and hold the Setup button to select the Start screen in the Settings menu. A stored user profile can be selected for up to 6 different users, A to F. Each dentist can use a different start screen. The operator can be changed via the user profile. Use the S button to move to the mouth rinsing position. Use the 0 button to move to the entry-exit position. With chair programs 1 and 2, you can save treatment positions, for example, an upper jaw and lower jaw position. With the Move Headrest In and Move Headrest Out buttons, the headrest is moved to the correct height. With the headrest buttons in the subscreen, the headrest can also be tilted or extended. Ergo Motion can achieve compensated motion of the seat and backrest without any compression or stretching effects for the back. With the up and down buttons, you can move the treatment center to the optimal height. The Treatment Function button is your entry point into the implantology or endodontic treatment. The subscreen button gives you access to additional subordinate functions. When the instrument is removed from the holder, you can scroll between the main programs using the fixed keys at the left corner: Start Program, See Vision Program, Instrument Program. When the instrument is removed, you can make the following changes. The values shown on the quick setting keys can be selected by touching them briefly. You can set preset speed or intermediate values using the speed quick setting keys. Increase intensity by pressing and holding a quick setting key for more than 1 second, whose intensity value is greater than or equal to the value displayed in the first line. Reduce intensity by pressing and holding a quick setting key for more than 1 second, whose intensity value is less than the value displayed in the first line. Note that the settings made are saved only if the Save button is held for longer than 2 seconds after the instrument is deposited. The button values can be changed individually with the programmable quick setting keys. Pressing and holding the middle Set Quick Setting key activates the programming mode and the values flash on the touch panel. Briefly pressing the plus and minus buttons, adjust the speed in larger increments. Pressing and holding the plus and minus buttons enables fine adjustments. When using function levels, you have two storage locations, E1, E2 for each user profile that can be used to save settings or call them up at the push of a button. Counterclockwise rotation can be switched on or off using the counterclockwise rotation button. The button is highlighted orange when counterclockwise rotation is activated. Use the chip blower button to dry treatment areas or blow off drilling chips by activating an air blast from the treatment instrument. This button is displayed only when cursor control is activated. To select the intensity, using the quick setting keys, remove the Sirosonic from the holder. Touch one of the quick setting keys in the bottom line briefly. The quick setting key is highlighted orange. The selected intensity percentage is displayed in the first line. The boost function increases the intensity of the Sirosonic TL ultrasonic handpiece during treatment in increments of 20 in reference to the final value. The Endo button is intended for endodontic treatment. The values are limited from 1E to 5E. The subscreen button gives you access to additional subordinate functions, such as spray coolant, air coolant, and NaCl saline solution. The fixed keys are used to select additional functions such as timer, shock positioning, tumbler filler, and cuspidor flushing. Press and hold the timer to go to the subscreen. Here you can set the duration and the sound of the timer. Press and hold the tumbler filling button to go to the submenu. You can link the rinsing quantity of the tumbler to the rinsing position button here, among other things. Furthermore, the water tempering can be activated and deactivated, and the filling quantity set. Press and hold the cuspidor flushing button to go to the subscreen. You can link the rinsing quantity of the cuspidor to the rinsing position button and set the flushing time here.